everyone, this is Cheryl Pinto. I've had a long successful career of 17 years, nicknamed the Career Hacker. I've now set up my own company where I help people such as you to grow professionally. I absolutely believe and love showing women how they can be and do so much more in their professional lives.
Hi everyone, I'm Dorita and I've worked in international and local banks for over 13 years. I'm super passionate about women scaling up the corporate ladder.
Based on the fabulous feedback we've had to our previous workshop, we are thrilled to bring you something even more exciting.
It is our absolute pleasure to bring to you a career-focused workshop for women in UAE.
Save the date, it's Saturday 3rd of November, location Dubai. Registration is now open. The links how to register is in the description below.
So register, save your spot. See you there. Bye.
See you. Bye.